gradual process. Each new concept builds on previous information. As we master the new concept, it becomes part of the foundation for learning the next one. This is true for learning concepts others have already figured out, like basic math, and also when investigating topics, we looked at the steps in the discovery of DNA as the genetic material. Mendel, Sutton, Bovary, and Morgan provided the foundation with their ideas about the presence of genes on chromosomes. Griffith performed the first bacterial transformation experiment, which gave Avery and MacLeod a starting point for their discovery that DNA is the genetic material. Hershey and Chase confirmed this with their experiments using radioactive bacteriophage. Once biologists were convinced that DNA is the genetic material, with help from data collected by Franklin, Watson and Crick determined the double helical structure of DNA. Using the width of the double helix and Chargaff's rules, Watson and Crick found that the nucleotides pair in a very specific way. Adenine pairs with thymine, and guanine pairs with cytosine. The two strands of DNA are the structure of the DNA molecule is a good example of the structure-function relationship. Accurate DNA replication is very important for an organism's health. Changes in an organism's DNA are not usually beneficial, and once a change occurs in the DNA, it's passed to all daughter cells. The structure of DNA provides a very accurate mechanism for DNA replication. Because adenine always pairs with thymine and guanine always pairs with cytosine, a single strand of DNA can serve as the template for the other DNA strand. One double-stranded DNA molecule can be used to produce two identical molecules of double-stranded DNA by copying each individual strand independently. The process we just saw in the discovery of the role and structure of DNA is typical of biological discovery. Biologists use information collected previously to answer new questions and solve new problems. Each discovery is a stepping stone to the next discovery.